We are in Arkansas, the natural state, and the home of one of my nemesis, Bill Clinton. He ranks number 3 on my list of top 5 nemesises. But we are not here to complain about Bill Clinton. We're here for one thing, and that is the fried bologna sandwich. I am in Bentonville, Arkansas, the home of Walmart. We are not here for one of America's largest superstores. We are, of course, here yet again for the state sandwich, and for Arkansas, that is the fried bologna sandwich. And it's pretty self-explanatory. It is fried bologna on toast with your standard sandwich fixings like mayo and mustard and lettuce and pickles. And it's pretty normal sandwich, nothing too crazy going on, but what do you expect from the state that invented Walmart? We're here at the Box, right here in downtown Little Rock, Arkansas, the capital of Arkansas, to get the state sandwich, the fried bologna. Let's go inside and see how it is. Alright, so here we have it from the Box, an American Diamond Classic, a classic here in the Ozarks of Arkansas, fried bologna. Get a look at that. Beautiful crispy bologna meat, all fried up, with mustard, pickles, mayo. Let's dig in.
Oh my goodness.
Something about this just feels so homeless. I feel like something my mom could have made. Even though my mom never made this for me, I still feel like my mom could have made it. This is classic American home cooking. Arkansas, you get a solid B rank. Nothing extraordinary, but it does feel good to eat. Well, there you have it. The fried bologna sandwich. The pride of the humble beginnings of Arkansas. Much like former president and my third nemesis, Bill Clinton. But you know, at the end of the day, we can put the hatchet to rest as we've both eaten a fried bologna sandwich.
I may wonder